Alrighty, folks. What we have for you today is this Comfort Zone 200 watt ceramic heater. I got this at Rose's Discount Store for $10 or $9.99. It was listed. Can't speak. I hadn't started this thing up in probably 4 or 5 months. Just been sitting in my closet. I just dedusted it. Little stupid warning there. It's got a pretty cute little fan there. I like that little fan. A flip switch. And obviously your heating coils up in here. And there's one of those light bulbs in there that are red. Now I guess I'll go ahead and start it up now, actually. Let you see the fan kick on for the first time in a long time. Oh, it smells good. No tilt sensor. In my opinion, that was well worth $10. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again later. Bye, folks.